What's up, guys? I hope everybody's having an awesome day and hope everyone's doing well. Today is a pretty special day. I just received a shipment today from Turtle Wax and I'm pretty excited. So I actually opened the box. I couldn't wait, but I didn't open what's in the container yet. So we'll go ahead and get started right after this. All right, guys, so here it is. They actually sent me the kit. So how cool is that? Again, shout out to Turtle Wax. Thank you so much for this. I really appreciate it. So right here we have the bucket. It actually has a lid to it. That's pretty awesome. So I'm gonna stand up for this. Okay, so we got 2 UFO pads. We have some pads for polishers. Pretty cool. That's awesome. Microfiber cutting pad as well. We got some towels. 1, 2, 3. Booklet. Pretty awesome. This has all their stuff. Yeah, literature on their new products. So pretty awesome. I'm like so excited right now. Here's the Precision. Okay, this is the one and done compound, which just came out. All of this stuff just came out recently. We have the Hybrid Solution Pro Graphene Infused Flex Wax. And then we have the Graphene Infused to the Max Wax, which is awesome. I always like liquid wax and even paste wax, so that is so cool. And this even came with a grit guard. Dude, how cool is that? Thank you guys so much. I really do appreciate it. This is just so awesome. Thank you, Turtle Wax. All right, guys, so I just wanted to, and again, give another shout out. Thank you very much to Turtle Wax. Make sure to stay tuned for more videos because I'm actually going to be trying this. I do have a vehicle in mind that I will be using, and it is a black vehicle, so that's pretty cool. So we get to see, you know, how this stuff works. All right, guys, if you liked the video, don't forget to hit that like button. Also, don't forget to subscribe. And if you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. Hope everyone has an awesome day. Take care.